I can't tell you that I definitely don't regret getting on the plane coming here, because it is a beautiful city. I mean, look at this, people. This is insane. I'm literally on the tracks walking, like. This is insane. But it's nice. Like, imagine like a party on the train tracks. That is literally what this is. It's a party on the train tracks. And I'm sure later on, it's only 7 o'clock right now. I'm sure later on it gets lit. Like, it gets lit. I'm sure later on. Pretty dope. If you ain't Hanoi, or if you ever come to Hanoi, this is a must go-to spot. Definitely.